Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create, how to define a material that we see, okay. But before that, what is material and why we required material in these modules like SAP MM module, SAP SD module. So material master record is a central master record data object in SAP that store all type of information about the material, okay. So like, and this material in which module it is used: SD module, sales and distribution module; MM module, material management; PP module, production and planning module, okay. FICO module. So there are different module. In this module material is used. So for that, first of all, we required to store all the information about the material in the SAP system, okay. So for that we will create material master record. So material master record, so we make a KDS file, key data structure, okay, key data structure KDS file. So first topic, that is material master record. So how to create a material master record? So that I have to define so for material master record we have different T codes, okay. So for create material master record through MM01, if we want to change, for changing MM02, for display we use MM03, okay. And if you want to see list of all the materials, okay, list of materials, then you will use MM60. So these are the T codes, these are the T codes. So material master record, why we use? To store all the information about the material in the SAP system. And where we use modules, so there are different modules: MM module, SD module and FICO module, okay, financial accounting and controlling module. And there are more different modules, but in this video I will tell these are the module specifically use material master record. So MM module or the procurement related activities, SD module sales related activities, finance module which type of module your sell, your procure, okay. So for all transaction maintenance about that material, FICO module. So there are different more modules are also used. So now we create a material. So for we use T code MM01, okay. So open your SAP, use T code MM01, press enter, material. So give a material name. Let's suppose I will give a material name. So this is the material, this is the material I have given. Industry, let's suppose I am select mechanical industry. Material type, let's suppose I have to select raw material, okay. Now click on select views, basic data 1, sales organization data 1, sales organization data 2, sales general plant and data. Okay, similarly select purchasing MRP 1, general plant data and storage 1, accounting. So if I do first basic data 1, here we give material description, material unit, material group, division. Similarly, like here, sales organization, sales unit, tax, unit conversion. Similarly, sales organization 2, we enter standard item category group, general standard item category group, sales general plant and storage, sales organization, distribution channel, and here also we see like uh, transport group, loading group, so that also we enter here. And purchasing, we maintain purchasing group. MRP, we select material requirement planning related. Okay, planning, we select general plant and storage data 1. So general plant data storage 1, here we have see the material, see the plant and storage related information. If we required to enter, so we can also enter more information. Accounting 1, here we enter valuation class, okay, and standard price. So now after selecting all the views, click on org levels. Here enter your plant. Let's suppose I use plant SV11. So you enter your plant, your storage location, your sales organization, your distribution channel. So this way you have to enter. Now click on continue, and here you see this is the, and here this is first view, basic data 1. So in basic data 1, first give description. Let's suppose this is the description. Okay, I have enter. So this way you have also enter. Okay, then base unit, let's suppose I take each, you can select kg, liter, okay, whatever unit you want you can enter. Material group, standard I have select, that is 01. Division, so I am use division 01, so I have select. Okay, this way you have entered the information, then click on enter. Now here you see sales unit, sales organization 1, so sales unit you add, so enter your sales unit, then press enter. You see unit, okay, conversion factor, unit of measures. Let's suppose I am taken 1. Okay, then press enter, and you can see tax related information are coming. Now maintain and select, you can select full tax. Okay, select full tax, press enter. Now you come into sales organization 2. Here you have to enter item category group, that is norm, that is standard we use norm. Okay, similarly general item category group, here also select norm. Here you see norm is available, select it, press enter. Gross unit 1, net unit 1, availability check. Okay, availability check, you select KP, and down transport group, transportation group, select on pallets. Loading group, let's suppose for loading group we select cranes. Okay, now press enter. If you find profit center, ignore it, we not required, press again enter, and you see purchasing related view is open. Okay, so here you enter your purchasing group 001, you have to select, press enter. MRP type, so MRP type you will select no planning. Okay, general or standard we have select. Similarly, now here you verify plant and storage location, and else all the fields are optional. Now again press enter, and you come into accounting 1, and here you have to select valuation class for raw material, so I select 3000. Similarly standard price, let's suppose I am giving standard price 10, and per unit price the same price I have give. Okay, After that press enter, and you see local currency converted to other currency using current exchange rate. Okay, this is green color message, there is no error. Now you can save, and you can see in status bar material was created. Okay, material created. So now maintain this material in your KDS file. So this is the way you have to create your material. Thank you guys.